If you are facing privacy check error on Instagram, in this video we will show you how to fix Instagram privacy check error. So before trying any other solution, make sure your Instagram app is updated. For this, go to the Play Store, search for Instagram app. If it shows an update option, tap on it to update the app. After updating the app, your Instagram privacy check error should be resolved. If this doesn't work, try the following solutions. First is clear cache and data. Go to settings on your phone, tap on apps, tap on manage apps. Here search for Instagram and tap on it. Tap on storage and tap on cache to clear the cache, and then tap on clear data to clear the data. Now Instagram privacy check error should be fixed. Second is verify your Instagram email or phone number. Open Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap on Personal Information Settings. If you haven't verified your email or phone number, then verify it by entering your email or phone number and the code received on it. After verifying, check if the error is fixed. Third is uninstall and reinstall Instagram. To fix this error, simply press and hold the Instagram app and uninstall it. Now go to the Play Store and install it back again and log in with your account. And that's it. Hope these solutions will help you to fix Instagram privacy check error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.